Have you ever noticed your phone slowing down, apps crashing, or storage running low? Well, I've got the ultimate fix for you, clearing your app's cache and data. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do just that on your Xiaomi phone. So let's jump right in. First things first, grab your Xiaomi phone and fire up the Settings app. Then scroll down a bit until you spot Apps and give it a tap. After that, tap on Manage Apps. Now, find the troublesome app that has been crashing or gobbling up space. Next up, tap on it. Then, hit the Clear Data button. From the pop-up menu, select Clear Cache. Next, tap OK and watch as the app's cache gets cleared out. That's all it takes to clear out app cache and data on any Xiaomi device. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Interested in more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I've got plenty more where that came from. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.